Hey guys, so Atreyu is back. I do hope you all are doing well. So it is my 4-year, 4-month Loc-anniversary, and I am bringing to you my 4-year, 4-month update. So let's get to it. So yes, as I said, it is my 4-year, 4-month Loc-anniversary, my 4x4. I've been waiting a long time to be able to say that, 4x4. Anyway, I'm here and I just got done washing my hair. It's still drying, and oiling my scalp. So no retwist still. It might look a little bit longer. That's just because it's kind of wet. At least longer than it did in the previous video. But even with it wet and even with it looking longer, it's still not my actual length because I have a lot of marriages at my scalp, and that pulls your hair up. So it won't be until I actually do the retwist, and I still don't know when that's going to be, that I will actually be able to see its true length. But you guys know I'm not really all that focused on length at this point anyway, so kind of doesn't matter. As I said, I didn't feel like retwisting. I don't know, I just haven't been filming it since my 4-year lock update, and I don't know when I'm going to be filming it again. Now that I have the braid technique for any of the problematic locks that are, you know, potentially thinning out because I don't retwist, because that hair is growing away from the lock, I just braid it in. And to be perfectly honest, since I started using the braid technique, you know, up to the 4-year Loc-anniversary, I haven't had to use it. So I'll give you an example. This is one of the former problematic locks that I would braid the new growth into the lock, and you see it's still all there, right? This is another one right here. This bad boy. See how it's not thinning out? See how the hair is all there? So it's like, because I braided that new growth in there once, twice, you know, maybe 3 times at the most, I haven't really had to do it much, and I know that Mass 777 Naturals can relate to that and attest to it. The hair kind of stays in there. So yeah, so that's even more reason for me not to retwist. You guys know that if I could have been a freeformer, I would have been. But once I learned that my locks were thinning out as a result of not retwisting often enough, then I was like, I guess I can never be a freeformer. But then later on down the road, I discovered the braid technique, started using it, and so yeah, I guess maybe I'll see if I can become a freeformer with the occasional braiding of the new growth into the lock. We'll see. It's not that I'm trying to become a freeformer, it's just that I really like not having to do much to my locks. And if they're able to thrive without me doing much to them, then I'm a-okay with that. So anyway, let me show you my hair and then I'll get out. Alright, well, that is it for this update. I am going to get out of here and just continue living life, continue taking care of my locks, continue giving them what they need, and I suggest that you guys do the same with your locks. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions the heart to not really love at all. So Atreyu is out.